Namaskar Aditya ji.
Namaste sir.
Welcome and thanks for accepting our request in the favor of our patients who are interested in going for transplant, but they are afraid of getting their hair transplant because of the two reasons. One thing is they feel that it's such a major surgery and lot of pain and everything will be there. Second fear is that they may not get the result because hair transplant at many centers being done by the technicians and non-technical or non-doctors, and in such cases there can be some emergencies may happen and also such patient may not get the result. So what we are here is, the main cause is that please explain to the audience that what you felt. So I'll ask you some small question. When your hair transplant was done?
My hair transplant was done last year, January, mid-January.
Last year, mid-January it was done. So the baldness was advanced?
Yeah, my baldness was advanced. Yeah.
So where do you stay as of now? San Francisco?
Yeah, as of now I'm staying in San Francisco, US.
US. And when you came for the transplant, you were staying there at that time also?
Yeah, at that time I was staying in US, but I was on vacation to India.
On vacation. So how you selected the Rejuvenate Hair Transplant Center? Because you are in USA and you came to Indore, and probably Indore is a mid-cap city. So how you develop confidence and on what basis you decided to get your hair transplant done here?
Actually, few of my friends had referred me to you because they had very good experience with the hair transplant and good result with you.
Okay, that's good. So how many grafts were put?
I think we put like 5,000 grafts. For 5,000.
5,000. Yeah. So 3,000 from the back side of head
and 2,000 from the beard.
Also. So beard. This beard is after the 2,000 graft removal.
Yeah.
So still you feel it is a normal beard?
Yeah, it's a normal beard. Just like when we do this grooming and everything, it's normal.
There's no problem.
No problem.
You don't feel that there is a deficiency or you have a patchy beard or you had the marks of graft taken from here?
No, nothing like that.
So can you explain, was there any problem during the surgery at that time?
No, at that time also, like I didn't even stay here. It was like 2-day procedure, so I came from Ujjain, like it's 1 hour drive from Ujjain to Indore, and I went back to sleep Ujjain and then came back again, and it was totally pain-free procedure.
Totally pain-free. That's good. And after surgery, what was your experience? Means it's a long period, almost 1.5 years?
No, 1 year.
1 year. So during 1 year, any physical discomfort, had some problem you faced during this period?
I didn't face any problem, like nothing like headache or anything.
So in last 1 year after the hair transplant, you did not face any problem?
No, I didn't face any problem.
So how about your results? How you grade your result? What you expected before the hair transplant? And the result which you got was the same as what you expected, or it was poor or same, or you are happy with the results?
I am happy with the results because I came to India after transplant after 1 year, so everyone was complimenting that now face is looking good, it's looking very different from before.
Yeah, so after the hair transplant you feel happy?
Yeah, I feel happy. Better.
Okay. And your friends and relatives also admire and give you compliment for that?
Yeah, they do.
They do. So that's the important thing. You feel the hair has got some role to play, and that increase. Of course, if you don't have hair, you don't feel unhappy. But if you get more hair, you feel more happy.
More happy, yeah.
More happy. That's very important, and that's a fabulous thing. So I would like to request you that can you speak few words for the general population regarding the hair transplant, before hair transplant, what was your mental state, on what basis you selected, and after 1 year what you feel, so that the audience who are afraid of getting hair transplant done, but they want the hair transplant, it becomes easy to take decision.
Yeah, actually, when I selected that I'll be getting my hair transplant with Dr. Anil Garg, it was very clear procedure from starting. Sir, the whole team told the whole procedure and everything was clear, and it was very pain-free process and nothing to worry about. If you want to do take the procedure, then it's very pain-free and very easy process.
And after hair transplant in 1 year, your experience again?
Yeah, everyone like who meets me after like the hair transplant, everyone has like compliments to give that the face looks very good now because of the hair and everything. It looks very changed.
So my dear friends, what sir is mentioning, that before taking the decision of hair transplant, you must have some idea about the hair transplant surgeon, his center. Either you see the testimonial or you consult to the patient who has already undergone. And then you meet with the doctor, see his confidence level, see his qualification, ask about his team, what they are doing it, who will do what. And then you must inquire each and everything. And as sir has said that during hair transplant, it was almost the pain-free procedure. And after hair transplant also, they did not feel any problem. And they got the result what they wanted, what he wanted. Another thing is he feel more happy after getting the more hair, and he got a lot of compliments and from his friends and from his relatives. So any one of you, he desires to get hair transplant done, do not get afraid of. Select a good, well qualified, trained hair transplant surgeon, discuss with him, and then you can go to him, to any qualified hair transplant surgeon. Thank you. Thank you, Aditji. And we extend our heartiest thanks to you that you gave us your precious time, as you have come from US and you have got a lot of other appointments, but we are really thankful to you.
Okay. Thank you.